Welcome to the Average Kings YouTube channel. My name is Prit.
My name is Sunny.
My name is Viren.
And that's Hugo. We've been set with a challenge.
It's essentially finding a piece of shit and turning it into something beautiful. Why don't we just work on the go-kart?
That's actually a really good idea. I think we can make that work.
Even.
Hello.
Come and have a look and see what we got. Sheer power, engineered to perfection. Could be in the Formula 1. I think there's no other way to describe it other than excellent. Here we have it.
What is that?
Don't insult it about what is that.
This is a dealership unveiling, actually.
Absolute. There we have it.
Wow.
The Average Kings go-kart. What a specimen. What a piece of shit. By now we could have lifted it on there. Literally by now. We would have done this.
That's it, manpower, innit?
The real question is, where do we start?
Why are you just doing that?
Wherever's got a hole, it's a goal.
Oh, that's your philosophy.
Right. Start in the front, mate. It's a bit political, isn't it?
There's a nut behind it.
Yes.
Now we'll get
It
somewhere.
was just a test to see.
We are doomed. We can't even take the front cover off.
We're making progress! Really good. Really good.
And you know what? You ain't one.
Oh, it needs to be blue.
There's blue inside. I mean,
yeah, it makes sense because
the pipes are...
Well, ain't that meant to be somewhere?
Right.
Banging organisation.
Lovely.
Into the treasure chest.
I don't know what you're doing.
A tool using a tool. A spanner using a spanner.
To
Oh, what are
see.
you doing? What are you doing? Standing around doing nothing?
Sounds about right.
Gentlemen. In terms of ideas, what were you lot thinking?
I say hot pink.
Or being...
What do you think?
Absolutely not.
How about we turn it into some sort of Honda Type R car? Since it is Honda powered.
I like
To be
that.
fair, it is a Honda. It is a Honda. Type R, Type G, Honda.
Type G. We're getting somewhere.
Yeah.
We're planning something. Oh my days, we're working as a team.
Yeah, hold that. Put that in there.
Here, give me. The meeting of minds right here.
Hurry up, man.
Why is it taking all three of us to do this?
Run. What are you doing? Is the bolt's not even, the bolt's out.
Look at my hands, yeah? Look at my hands. Look at his hands. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Show me your hands.
You have to supervise these two. I'm about to be so useful to the team.
This guy never makes me
I
coffee.
will be back.
It's the first time he's ever made me a coffee in his life. He just wants to get away from doing work.
Alright. That's off.
What do you think Prit's doing?
What he's doing, he's chilling on his phone. The kettle's probably done.
We're working faster, even though he didn't do anything here. But I have no expectations. Should we take the fuel tank off?
Ow, ow, ow. Gentlemen.
And custard creamies. How many sugars you got in here?
None.
You missed quite a lot, actually.
The rear bumper come off. Okay.
Yep.
That's it.
Let me have a look.
It's out.
So, yeah. Grab that.
Fly off.
Let me see
Finished, I'd say.
We don't need that.
Look at that soggy biscuit over there. Please take a look at this.
You know he's had like 3.
I'm taking a break. I've worked hard.
I beg you listen to this idiot.
That's it.
Whose idea was it?
It was him.
It was him. What about you guys?
We have a go-kart!
Yeah. And then we all agreed. Number. Take this. Now we'll get you a pack, and then we just replace our wire. That.
What I want you to do, you need to look where you've got to put. Sonny, you should wait for teaching.
Yeah, I'm quite proud of that rubbish.
Now the way you're doing it, you could feel it.
What part number is this? Pretty sure we have this inside. Let's have a look. Bob's your uncle. It's a dick, bro. Look at that little nipple.
All seems to look good, everything plugged in, oil's changed. Ivan!
The time has finally come. Let's fire it up now. Nah, come back. Bruv, it's just doing up shisha right now. Look,
Yeah, it seems like there's no fuel coming through. Yeah, nothing going in the chamber.
well, back to the drawing board.
Some editing magic later, we're back with the goods. Upon some further investigation, we found that it's a bit fuel starved because there's no fuel running through these lines. We possibly think that it's the vacuum pump because the fuel tank is brand new. So we're gonna chuck in a new one that we went and picked up. I think this is an upgraded part. Similar sort of outlets and all of that, it's all the same, but the actual design of it is pretty different. But yeah, over to Viren.
We also picked up a new carburetor because we think this one's blocked up. And there's no way of unblocking that, so the easiest thing to do is just change it.
It's literally easier and quicker to change it than even try and repair that.
But the vacuum pump and the carb have been changed. I couldn't think of anything else to do to make it work, so this should be it. Crank this. Oh,
she's loud. She's loud.
What's going on, man?
Nothing is going on. Absolutely nothing. This don't work. We've tried everything. I've honestly given up. I don't know what to say to you guys.
It was working for, as you saw in that clip, it was working for a little bit, but then it just stopped working on us. We've been at it for a little while now. But I think, to be fair, we're at a stage where we can give it a crank. So what do you think?
I mean, that's the only stage we're at. The next stage is I will throw it on the roof and I will not go get it.
What about the video?
The video, we're scrapping the video. Go-kart video complete.
He's been like this for the past hour.
Well, I mean, what do you want me to be happy? It don't work.
All right, shall I give it a crank?
Well, this is it. If this don't work, that's it.
Wish me luck.
Wait, it's not on.
All right.
It's not gonna work. Wait. Put the choke on. For God's sake.
Bro, I'm tired, honestly.
I'm tired of this.
Ready? Let's go. There's an idol. There's an idol. So that wraps up this video. Thank you for watching. If you want to see us put this to the test against a very special mobility scooter, leave a like. Until then, subscribe and stay tuned.